Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you a super quick, easy way to do something with those old t-shirts that might have been stained or something like that. So I have two t-shirts here. This one has like bleach stains on it or something. I don't know what happened to it. And then I have the blue one that is not that great of a color. It was okay. But I think the two together would be real cute. So what I'm just going to do is cut away kind of a half circle type shape for where the stains are, and halfway through I decided I wanted to keep the pocket, but I had already cut up to the pocket, so I'm just trying to figure that out. But I cut under the armpit so that I wouldn't have to do anything with the arm there. So you just take that, and then you'll take the piece that you have cut away, and you'll kind of use that as a pattern to cut your next piece. I'm gonna cut mine a little bit longer because I wanted to have that patch together kind of look. So I want to kind of high-low hem. But when you're cutting it, remember to cut a little bit for seam allowance because you don't want it to be too tight, whatever. So you're gonna cut a little bit for seam allowance, take the two pieces, put them back together. I'm lining up the pieces underneath the arm when I put them back together to start from that point, because you know that point is an even point because they both have armpits. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to pin it all the way around the front and the back so that I can sew those two pieces together. So once you're done with that, then you would just take it over to your sewing machine, and then you can sew the two pieces together. Okay, so I pinned it all together, and then now I'm sewing it, and you're going to be facing them right side to right side together when you're sewing it. I'm using the serger on mine, but you can just use a regular straight stitch on your sewing machine and just remove your pins as you go along. But like I said, I'm using the serger, but you don't have to. And then once you're done, it should look something like that. And just to make sure everything stayed nice and smooth, I decided I wanted to top stitch the seam that's going to be in the inside down, and because the seam is uneven at the bottom, you just stitch that down so that it kind of folds under. I didn't have a thread that went along with either one of these fabrics, so I'm going with this gray one because I think it goes good with both of them. And then you can see the piece, the little flappy piece that is over the other piece, like at the hem. So I'm folding that inward, and then I'm just making sure the piece under, when I'm top stitching it, is under it. So you want to make sure that piece is folding flat. So I'm making sure it's under it so that it all stays down and it looks good. And then you can throw it on, throw on your little accessories, and you'll have a cute new top. If you like, please give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to watch more thrift flips and DIYs, which I will link below. All right, see you in the next video.